Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common maintenance for the Mova P50 Pro Ultra station. If you're interested in the P50 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, let's start at the very top where we can open up this lid to reveal our dirty and clean water tanks, which are both removable. With them removed, check on the inside here, wipe down as needed. We have a drain hole here. And then we have multiple holes you want to make sure that are free from obstructions up here where the water moves in and out. Looking at the tanks themselves, the inside of the dirty water tank should be washed and rinsed, I would say after every use, just to keep it as fresh as possible, but up to you and how you decide to handle the care for the dirty water tank. But that will help to prevent odors and from dirt and dust starting to settle and build up some grime down at the bottom. Then for the clean water tank, really nothing to do here. But every once in a while, if you do want to give this a deep clean, you do have that ability as you see fit. Also, you might have noticed down here at the bottom, we have this little white thing that has some beads inside. This is a scale inhibitor, so I believe that's going to help with your water to prevent any scales. That technically is removable. I'm not sure if you can buy replacements for this, to be honest, but if you can swap that out too as needed. And then it just snaps right back in here. It's a little hard to show. And then this just pops right back in as well. But there's two tabs that you can press to remove if you ever needed to remove that or attempt to replace that in the future. Moving down the unit from the top to the center, we have a removable cover. Just pull it out towards yourself. That's going to reveal our solution tank. So here's our solution tank. If it's empty, you can fill it up. Not much more to do there with the solution. And then for the vacuum bag itself, once it's full, you can discard the old one, then grab a new one, and you can pop it right in place. Little tip here, I like to write the date on the vacuum bag when it's installed. Just another way to keep track of everything with the station. And then that cover just snaps right back on. Very nice. And then at the very bottom, we have a small removable insert. So you just grab, and you can pull it out. Wash and rinse this out as needed. You can wipe down in here if anything else starts to settle. And you'll notice on the side, we have our self-empty channel here and there. So on both sides, if you want to make sure that there's nothing settling, clogging, or obstructing there on the station, you can do that. And you have another sensor you can wipe down. Same with the charging contacts. So that's it. There's really not much to it to take care of your Mova P50 Pro Ultra station.